Okay, we got this little corner right here. I'm gonna call it Macau Shibuya or Shinjuku, because basically this is where the kind of busy crosswalk is at. And once we can go across, you can actually go all the way through the middle or through the sides, and there's just kind of a lot of people coming through. So we're actually going to film that, and that's actually kind of interesting too, right? Because it's a little bit like a Times Square. We'll try to capture this from different angles of what it looks like in different spaces. So let's stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Right here, now we got it. So we're gonna walk through the middle, and you can see that we have people on all the sides, and we can actually go all the way across. Of course, the green light's kind of going fast, so I might get caught in the middle there. Try to run across. Okay, so now we're at this angle. Traffic is moving along, so we're gonna try to capture from different angles. This is BNU Bank, so actually there's people reference this all the time. And down that way is Saddle Square, which is that little space in that area. And we're gonna wait for that light to go again, and then we're gonna try to cross it again and try to get a different angle of it. But basically we're at the corner of Avenida Almeida Ribeiro, and I think that that has a different name, and then this is Grande Praia. So we're gonna try to continually capture it from different angles. So basically kind of like Macau's Shinjuku or Shibuya. That's kind of what we'll call it. Now we got the green light right here, so we're going to take this one across. Lots of traffic coming. Then you can also let's just kind of come across here. You can also see the casino right there, Grand Lisboa. And this goes all the way down to Praia Grande, and that's the BNU Bank right there. And of course that goes down to Saddle Square. I guess this is Bank of China right there in the corner. Alright. So we're going to keep on trying to capture the feeling. We might try to run across to the other side there in a second. Or we might just stay and watch all the people go across. Looks like we got a green light here again. We got a green light over there. Kind of take a look down this way. So this green light will go, so we could actually go this way, but you can also just kind of see all the people kind of going everywhere. So I think what we're gonna do is just kind of follow across like this and go to that other corner down that way. Yeah, this corner looks kind of cool over here. Very busy. So we're gonna, now we're kind of near this BNU. We're gonna try to go up to that space in a second, but you can also see more of the Shibuya, Shinjuku look. So there we go. So we have that, now we can see the Wynn Casino and the MGM all the way down that way. Bank of China is up that way. And it's basically kind of like the space. And that goes all the way down to Avenida de Praia Grande. BNU. All the pillars. Let me kind of walk in here real quick, so you can kind of get a feel for that. And then this is BNU head office, so 1926, and this is actually, I think, it's got like different incarnations as well, so architectural interest. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that light to go green again, but that's Avenida Praia Grande, which is where the ocean used to be. Then they reclaimed all the land, so where the people are at right now. So where the people now, this all used to be like part of Macau. And then everything on that side would be all reclaimed land. So we're gonna try to, we'll see where we can go. I think we're gonna try to go over to that one next. Okay, so now we can go this way. So what we're gonna do is kind of walk So you kind of see all the people coming across like that. And we're going to come across like this, all the way to this side. So we're probably going to end it in a moment. So, and actually from over this side, we have this thing right here. And now you can see the angles of Grand Lisboa Casino. And you can also see the other casinos down there, MGM, Lisboa, and Wynn. So all those are down that direction, basically. You see the mural, see that it has kind of a Shinjuku, Shibuya policeman as well. Okay. So that's basically Macau's Shinjuku, Shibuya. Yeah, Suna Square is right down that way. Probably should take the camera down that way. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do, we're just gonna walk down this way just briefly. I'm gonna be I should go to Suna Square with the same spot. But I think instead what I'm gonna do is just kind of, that's kind of cool. Got the BNU right there with that tree. Okay. So anyways, Macau, Shibuya, Shinjuku. Kind of trying to decide if I should end the video. I think I will, but kind of want to just have it go one more time. There we go. So now you can see the whole transgression. So you can kind of see the people kind of moving around all the different directions now. It's kind of a cool imagery, I think. So that one is where most of the tourists are going to be going. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la